This is a very nice question. I like it. The question gave us this grid and it has two parts. Part A says, on the grid, construct the graph of x squared plus y squared equals 16. That's 2 marks. Now, when it's x squared plus y squared equal a number, this is a circle. This is the equation of the circle. And it's always x squared plus y squared equal r squared. 16 is 4 squared. That means r is 4. R is the radius of a circle. So we'll have a circle that's starting on the center here, because there is no number here. It's just x squared plus y squared. And the radius is 4. So you must bring your compass and draw such circle. Radius of 4. We did it. That's part A. Now part B, find the estimate for the solutions of the simultaneous equations. This is my son playing outside. So x squared plus y squared equals 16. Y equals 2x plus 1. I'm not sure if you can hear this noise, but it's all right. He's just playing outside. All right. So now to find the solution, we first did draw this circle here. Now we need to draw this. Y equal 2x plus 1. What's that? That's a line, isn't it? So to draw a line, we first look at the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 1. This is where the line will cross the y. So this is 1 here. So that's our first point. Now from the slope, which is 2, slope is rise over run. So this 2 means rise 2 and run 1. So this is our second point here. Now we just make a line passing through these 2 points. Now the question asks you to find estimate for the solutions. The solution is find the x values at this point and find the y values. Find the x values here and find the y points. Now if we look at this point here, the x value is somewhere between 1 and 2. It's almost in a half, so it's very close to 2.5, I think. And the y is very close to 4, so I think it's 3.8. So we need these 2 points. So this point is 1.5 and this is 3.9 or 8. And this point down here, the x value is around 2.2 or 2.3, I think. And the y value is somewhere around 3.4, 3.5. Now, a very important question here is, this is an estimation. How will they know, like if someone did a very slight mistake here? So in this mark scheme, there will always be